Hi! In front of me is Nokia X20, and today I would like to show you how you can add event to calendar on this smartphone. First of all, you need to locate the Google folder and tap on it. Then click on calendar and tap on the month above. Over here you can pick a month and a date. I will go with that one. Then create your event by clicking on this plus icon at the bottom right corner and selecting event. Now you can customize it however you wish to. For example, you can choose a title, set up notifications minutes, hours, or weeks before your event, change color, take notes, add attachment over here, choose location by tapping on add location, choosing while using the app or only this time, clicking on the correct one after typing in an address, and then you can also, for example, select does not repeat and select one of those options if you want your event to repeat. I don't, so I will go with does not repeat, and then I can also pick starting or ending hour. If you want to disable this feature completely, you can do that by tapping on the switcher. Then choose save at the top right corner, and as you can see, my event is over here. If you wish to edit it, you need to click on it, then choose this pen icon at the top right corner and make your changes. I will, for example, change an address. Then remember to choose save one more time at the top right corner, and my event is over here. But if you want to delete it, you can also click on it. This time though, click on those three dots at the top right corner, select delete and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!